Can I add my Coinbase card to Apple Pay? You've got your Coinbase card, it's shiny, new, and you're ready to dive into the world of crypto spending. But there's one question burning in your mind. Can I add this bad boy to Apple Pay for those quick and easy contactless payments? Let's find out. Now, I know what you're thinking. In a world where digital payments are king, it seems like a no-brainer to combine the convenience of Apple Pay with the crypto-powered spending of your Coinbase card. And you're not alone. Tons of people are asking this question. So, let's cut to the chase. The short answer. As of right now, the official answer is no, you cannot directly add your Coinbase card to Apple Pay. Bummer, right? It would be so convenient to just tap and go with your crypto. But hold on, there might be a glimmer of hope. Why can't I add my Coinbase card to Apple Pay? Before we dive into potential workarounds, let's understand why this isn't possible yet. Apple Pay is a closed ecosystem. It has strict standards for card issuers, and as of now, Coinbase doesn't fully meet those requirements. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Workarounds and alternatives. While we can't add the Coinbase card directly, there are a few ways to get around this limitation. Virtual cards. Some crypto platforms offer virtual card options that can be added to Apple Pay. These virtual cards are linked to your crypto holdings, allowing you to spend your crypto through Apple Pay. Check if Coinbase has this feature. Third-party services. There are some third-party services that claim to bridge the gap between crypto and traditional payment methods. These services might allow you to convert your crypto to fiat currency and then use that to make Apple Pay payments. However, proceed with caution and do thorough research before using any third-party service. Good old-fashioned card, remember those plastic things? Your Coinbase card is one of them. You can always use it for physical purchases. It's not as convenient as Apple Pay, but it gets the job done. Coinbase Wallet. If you're looking for a more integrated crypto experience, consider using the Coinbase Wallet app. It allows you to send, receive, and manage your crypto, and you can use it for in-app purchases and with certain merchants that accept crypto directly. The future of crypto and Apple Pay. Don't despair, crypto enthusiasts. The world of digital payments is evolving rapidly. It's entirely possible that in the future, Coinbase will meet Apple's requirements and direct integration will become a reality. Keep an eye on updates from both companies. While it's disappointing that we can't directly add our Coinbase cards to Apple Pay yet, there are workarounds and alternatives available. The crypto space is constantly changing, so things could change in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto and stay updated on the latest developments.